Kendis provides powerful tools to help users track specific scope changes, variations, feature analytics, and completion rates. After completing your draft and planning stage, enter the Delivery by Features tab. The first filter option available is on the top left. Here you can select between different types of cards. By default, Feature, Goal, Enabler, and Risks will be selected, but you can go to any specific ones that you wish to view. Scope changes are listed on the top left of the Delivery by Features tab. They are essentially a way to track the features, stories, or story points that are added after the tracking stage begins. If a user adds a new feature or story, it will appear in the Scope Changes section. The percentage will calculate the amount of change to the overall board depending on existing features, stories, or story points. On the right side of the Scope Changes is Variations. If any changes are made after beginning the sprint, these changes are noted in the Variation section. The main stage on this tab is given to feature analytic tracking. These are ordered depending on the key. Main story elements such as summary and status are listed, and for enhanced tracking, story progress and estimate breakdown have been added. Story progress is calculated by the status of each individual story. If a story is marked as completed, the percentage will increase. This also comes with advanced filtration options to enhance your tracking. Firstly, we can filter this by planned features, which is an overview of all features and their progress. Spillover, which shows changes in features that are made after starting a sprint, and added or removed scope changes. We can also filter by status progress, as well as the sprint. Lastly, completion rates are a great way to get immediate visual insight on progress of specific features, stories, story points. The different colors represent different progress for each feature or story.